Guys, welcome back. Quick tour in Emporia. Inside Emporia, they have two grocery store. The one is Ika and the other one is Willys. Systembolaget, you can buy alcohol, beer, white wine. They have everything that you need here. Hemmakväll is a candy store. A lot of Swedish people love this store. This is the famous coffee shop here in Sweden, Espresso House. And I think we can try their birthday cake profino and chicken barbecue sandwich. It's really good. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And thanks for watching.